What's going on, guys? It's Gino coming at you again with another video. Today I'm going to be installing eBay shocks on my Mustang. They were very cheap and hopefully they will work for at least a week. That just rhymed. That's it, guys. We're turning into a rap channel. I got P. Diddy, Eminem, Lil Wayne. They're all my big sponsors and supporters. But let's get down to planet Earth really quick. So I got eBay shocks for my Mustang. I'm gonna be installing those today. It's so awkward when you're recording and there's people that you don't know looking at you. But before this video starts, I just want to talk to you guys about one thing. When you go and do things in life, not everybody is gonna agree with it. A lot of the time, it kind of leans to the direction where not a whole lot of people will agree with it. People that you care about and people that care about you may not agree with it. People that are really close to you. And then you'll just get those occasional people that just don't like you because they're just having a bad day that won't agree with what you're doing. But at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason and you can't let that stop you. You have to keep fighting for what you believe in. And deep down inside, everyone has that gut feeling of what they know is right and wrong, and it is okay to make the mistakes to go back and forth between them. Just don't. Sometimes it's better to have a balance of the two because it gives you perspective. But that's my little rant for the beginning of this video. But let's get into the garage and let's start installing these high performance racing shocks. Alright, so I put the shock in, I cleaned up some of the rust over here, sprayed it with some bed liner so it stops rusting. I fixed these under tray things so they stop moving around, so should be good over here. Time to jump to the other side. That probably took about half hour. Not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. Alright, so all the shocks are done. A little bit of a pain on one of them. One of the sleeves was stuck. The rubber bushing was stuck on the bolt, so I had to cut that to kind of release the pressure. Made a little bit of a mess. I'll clean that up. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out for a test drive and drive it myself right now. It's getting pretty dark. I don't have my little like mini GoPro thing on me, so I'm gonna put like a little sticky thing on my dashboard and put it on my dashboard tomorrow, and I'll show you how it handles with these eBay shocks. Hopefully it handles good. Some of the bushings were a little wrong. I get it's like they're the right type of shocks, but some of the bushings are kind of like universal fitment. I wasn't looking for like super great, awesome, fantastic fitment. I bought them for like less than 90 bucks. That's a super clean STI. It drove away too fast, so I couldn't show you. But for what it was pretty cheap, and it works good. It bolted right up, and I didn't really have any problems at all. It took me about like 2 hours, so that's not bad at all. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. I'm gonna clean up in here, and I'll check with you guys tomorrow.